Okay, this is the control for our experiment. I have lots and lots of substrates. This is my one enzyme, and I'm going to set a timer for 15 seconds, and we'll see how many I can break down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay. One, we are reducing the substrate concentration, so I only have the option to break down 4 toothpicks. I'm going to set my timer, and obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. I broke all of them down. I had 7 seconds left. So not as many reactions done because the substrate concentration decreased. Experiment number 2, everything's going to stay the same, 15 seconds. I have lots and lots of substrates again. This time we're going to double the amount of enzymes. So we're going to set our timer and see what we can break down. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. Yay! So we broke down more substrates with experiment 3. Everything stays the same. I still have one enzyme. I have lots of substrates, but I have had my hand in freezing water for as long as I can stand it. So I'm going to start my timer and see how many I can do with a change in temp. There you go. Oh, that's cold. 1, 2, 3, 4. That really hurts. 5. Okay, so only got 5 that time, and that was cold. For change in pH, it said on the lab we're not going to do this, but I am. If I change the pH, I'm going to denature my enzyme. So now I have to do this, but I can't use my thumb. So same time, I still have lots and lots of substrates to break down. Let's see what I can do. This is actually really hard. 1, 2. I got 2. That was lame. Final experiment, this is number 5, I'm going to add an inhibitor. So I still have lots of substrates, but I'm going to put in my inhibitor and set my timer and see how many I can do. So I get to use my thumb again. My hand is all warmed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, can't find them, 5. So 5. So inhibitors got in the way.